Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the color of your fireworks on CapCut PC. So I'm just gonna do like one color. I am going to first go to the video and I'm going to adjust it so that it is a black and white video. Might turn down the brightness just a little bit, and I'm going to go to background and I'm going to search for a color that I want. Maybe you can do this one because it's colorful. So you're going to go back to video, go to the blend mode, and you're going to select linear burn. And then you're just going to adjust it from the adjustments tab here. Maybe the brightness isn't doing its thing. Let's go to blend mode and try to, whoops. I selected the wrong video. And I'm going to kind of search for which one looks the best, because the linear burn one was a little bit too much. Maybe the color burn looks a little bit better, but the colors do look a little bit fake, so I'm just going to add just like one color maybe. Something like that, and you can adjust the opacity so it isn't too like vibrant, or you can select color burn maybe. But that is pretty much it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!